What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today this is a video for my detailers out there. If you're a mobile detailer and you need more business, Google Ads is a great place to get a flood of business really fast, really cheap, create some velocity in your business. So this is a detailing client that we took on 30 days ago in a very competitive California market, and we're crushing it out of the gate for him. He's doing really well. He's almost at capacity, not quite there, but almost there. In the first month, he spent $488. He's gotten 83 leads. His cost per lead is $5.89 per lead, and he's got a conversion rate of 31.2% in the campaign. So what does that mean? That means for every 100 clicks, you would expect to get 31 leads out of it. So out of the gate, this campaign is doing very well, performing very well. The beauty of the detailing space is click costs are relatively low, so you don't need to spend a ton to do awesome. Most of my detailers start with about $500 a month, $25 a day, Monday through Friday, and then we'll creep up and ramp up as they get themselves out of the actual job and more into the management and dispatch of the business. Then they're hiring crew members, adding additional vehicles to the fleet. That's the beauty of being able to stair step up your ad budget as you go. However, there are some guys that want to stick where they're at and want to be a solo operator and do the thing and remain super profitable. Others want to spend $200, $300, $500 a day because they've got a fleet of vehicles and crews that need to be booked out for the week. So there are those options. Yeah, so this is a very competitive California market, and they're crushing it in the first month. I'd imagine his business looks quite different today than it did 30 days ago. So if you'd like some velocity in your business and want some help doing this for you, reach out. I'll drop a link below to an application page on our website. Just fill out the application with some details so I can get a little context. We'll set up a time to chat. We'll talk for a few minutes, see if there's something there, if we might be able to work together, if it makes sense. If it does, we'll keep going, and we could potentially have you live in 2 to 4 business days. This particular client, I think we launched him in 2 or 3 days and was getting leads literally the day we launched the campaign. So if you are a detailer in need of leads and want to get cranking, give us a call or fill out the application below, and we'll take it from there. Have a great day. Oh, real quick, my name's Ed. Sorry. My name's Ed. I'm one of the owners here at ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local businesses, and I love the detailing niche. So if you need anything, give us a shout. Have a great day. Bye.